Hello everyone, I am Sina and this is my first episode of JavaScript programming language tutorial, and in this series of episodes I'm going to teach you JavaScript programming language, and I want to teach you everything that I have learned, and we're going to learn step by step according to three powerful sources regarding JavaScript language. These are W3 schools and JavaScript info and MDN, which are best sources of JavaScript to learn step by step everything about JavaScript. As here you can see, JavaScript is the most popular programming language, and this is the best choice to create web application. This language makes you to manipulate your documents, and you can have an interaction with user by writing JavaScript codes, and so we will see what can we do, and I'm gonna first and let me show you the kind of important issues of the JavaScript. According to JavaScript info, it's been kind of categorized in these sections. First, introduction, fundamental, hello. We're gonna first go for hello world, and again variable, I don't know, loops, everything about quality, objects, data types, and functions, everything about JavaScript classes, even error handling and promise async await, and we're gonna learn these issues step by step, and there is nothing to be worried about. So let's without further ado, let's create our first JavaScript application. I'm gonna show you how does this work. You can there are some different IDEs to write JavaScript codes and kind of HTML and CSS JavaScript codes, but I will go for VS Code, which is, I think it is the best IDE to write codes. And or you can install any IDE that you like, but I will go for VS Code, and I suggest you to do it. And you can kind of go to directory that you want to kind of insert your codes and save your codes in the folder. You can go to exactly to the directory, press shift and click, and you can select the open PowerShell, and you can write just code dot and press enter, and it will open VS Code for you. Or you can simply open up the VS Code and kind of select the directory that you want by file here, and click on open folder, and you're gonna find your directory that you want. Select it here and select folder, and that's it. So let's create HTML document. And we're going to name our JavaScript file script.js. You can name it anything that you like, app.js, or I don't know, anything that you like, main.js or anything, but I will type a script. Let's type main.js. We can put anything that we like. but it would be better to be meaningful. So let's create yes. Okay, and let's insert our the path of main.js, which it should be connected to this it should be linked to this to HTML file to work together. You know, without this linking, it won't work. So I will write a script and src and control space, and it will show the file here. I will select it, and now it is ready. So I will write h1, and in this tag I will write hello world. So you can open it here by live server, or simply by going here and click on the file. Doesn't matter anything that you will do, but if you do this, you should, for every changes that you make, you should refresh your page. But if you install live server extension, you can here by clicking right click and selecting open with live server, you can open up your browser. So this is our application. It is so simple because it's kind of our first episode, but we will make it complicated step by step. So this is a simple tag that shows us hello world, and if we were going to change it, what should we do? So let's open up main.js. So this hello world is inside an h1 tag. So I will select it, document dot get, let's put ID for it, ID, and I will say title. Okay, so document dot get element by ID. Don't worry about these issues. We will learn together. This is just kind of first episode. I'm going to show how does this work, this programming language. It was title, the ID was title, so I forgot to write I forgot to write put a semicolon here. And so again, I'm gonna kind of insert a button here, and I'll say click on me. So I will put an ID for it, and I will say title btn. So I want to actually, anytime that I want to click on this button here, and when I click that, this text get changed. So I will select this button here like h1 tag. So I will say const I will say main button, main btn, and document dot get element by ID, and I think it was, yes, btn title btn actually. So I will put it here, and that's it. So I will select this button here, dot add event listener, and I will kind of define an event for this button. I will call it click, if my IntelliSense help me, and I will define a function here for this kind of event. Actually, it says that anytime it will listen for click to being clicked, and anytime that it was clicked, it will run this code here. It will run this logic here. So I will define this function. This is a function, guys. So I will say that anytime that it got clicked, change the text. So here we got h1 text by each h1 tag by this ID. So it is named title tag. So I will say title tag dot inner text hello. No. Let's say I am JavaScript, and that's it. Let's see how does this work. We don't need to refresh the page, but by clicking on this button, it will get changed. Actually, the reason that it doesn't work is that because I treat it like a kind of a function, but it's not a function, you know, and because I'm kind of using React nowadays, so let's do this and it will work. And that's it. I am JavaScript. So this is the way that JavaScript works, and you can change your document by using JavaScript. And this was our first episode, guys. Don't worry about these kind of codes, document.getElement or kind of add even listeners. We will learn this step by step, and there is nothing to be worried about. And it was just for showing you how does this work, and I will be happy to have you with myself for further tutorials. Thank you, guys.